Salut tout le monde. Today we're mastering French identification. How to ask and answer who is that and what is that like a native.
These are the handshakes of French, the phrases that let you connect with the world around you. Let's dive in.
For people we ask, c'est qui? It means who is it or who is that? Say it with rising intonation. C'est qui?
C'est means it is. Qui means who. The Q makes a hard k sound. Qui, like key, but with a tighter, smiling French E.
C'est qui? Use it for people. For pets you love, many say c'est qui too. But stick to people to stay safe as a learner.
For things, we ask, Qu'est-ce que c'est? It literally means, what is it that it is? But treat it as one fixed sound block. Don't translate word for word.
Pronunciation. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Fast and flowing. The question stays singular even for many objects. It's asking about one mystery phenomenon.
Now, answers. For singular, it will be c'est. For plural, it will be ce sont. Match the number that follows.
Singular example. C'est mon cousin Jean-François. Or c'est un livre. Simple equal sign. It is.
For plural, it is ce sont. Pronunciation. Ce sont. Nasal on, like a deep song without the G. T is silent unless liaison.
C'est qui? Who is it? C'est qui?
C'est moi, Mariva. Ouvre. It's me, Mariva. Open up. C'est moi, Mariva. Ouvre.
Perfect. C'est qui for people, singular answer, c'est.
Regarde mes nouveaux amis. Look at my new friends. Regarde mes nouveaux amis.
Ce sont tes amis? Ils ont l'air sympas. Are these your friends? They seem nice. Ce sont tes amis? Ils ont l'air sympas.
See? Ce sont for plural people. Liaison makes ce sont amis flow as ce sont amis.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ce sont mes lunettes préférées. These are my favorite glasses. Ce sont mes lunettes préférées.
Even for plural things, question stays qu'est-ce que c'est? Answer switches to ce sont.
Quick recap. First, people question. C'est qui? Second, things question. Qu'est-ce que c'est? This will be always singular. Third, singular answer. C'est. Fourth, plural answer. Ce sont.
French makes you count. See people as individuals or groups. It keeps you present. Practice these and doors open.
Merci d'avoir regardé. Like if c'est qui clicked for you, comment your trickiest example. Subscribe plus bell for more French lessons. À bientôt!